Students, I welcome all of you for selection of English as special subject for BA Part 3. You have done the right choice by selecting and choosing English language. As you know, English language is very important, or it has become mandatory in all the spheres of life. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, मी आपणा सर्वांचं महाविद्यालयाच्या वतीने इंग्रजी विभागाच्या वतीने आपण इंग्रजी हा स्पेशल विषय निवडल्याबद्दल अभिनंदन करतो. इंग्रजी ही भाषा जरी परकीय समजली जात असली तरीही या भाषेचं महत्त्व अनन्यसाधारण आहे. आज जीवनाच्या प्रत्येक क्षेत्रामध्ये, प्रत्येक विषयामध्ये ज्या ज्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही प्रवेश कराल त्या त्या ठिकाणी इंग्रजी हे अत्यंत आवश्यक झालेलं आहे. त्यामुळे साहजिकच मी आपणा सर्वांचं पुनश्च अभिनंदन करतो. This year I shall deal with paper number 11. The title of the paper is The Structure and Function of Modern English. This paper is basically on parts of speech. मराठीमध्ये ज्याला आपण शब्दांच्या जाती म्हणतो तेच पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच या ठिकाणी आहेत. पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच फॉर्म द फाउंडेशन ऑफ दिस पेपर. There are 8 parts of speech, as you know. Now we shall just concentrate on the same paper. For example, noun. Noun is a naming word. Naming a person, thing, place, etc. is called as noun. For example, Ram is a person. Chocolate, name of place, Sangola, etc. These are all nouns. Pronoun. It is a word used to replace noun. For example, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These pronouns we use to avoid repetition of the subjects, that is nouns. For example, Ram and Sita went to ashram. That is, instead of Ram and Sita, we can use the pronoun they. Adjective. Adjective is a word used to modify, to tell something else about noun. For example, Raj is a brave boy. In this sentence, Raj is noun, is verb, brave is adjective, and boy is once again noun. Means here brave is used to qualify, modify, to tell something else about brave. There is next verb. Verb is an action packed word. For example, Sita is running on the ground. Here running or Sita runs on the track. Here runs. The word shows a kind of action, and therefore it is action packed word and it is called as verb. Next, adverb. Words which are used to modify or qualify verbs For example, Ram runs fast. Sita walks slowly. Here, Sita walks slowly. Sita, noun, walks, verb. How does Sita walk? Slowly. Slowly is an adverb. Preposition. Words which are used to express relations of person or place. For example, Ram lives in Sangola. Where does Ram live? He lives in Sangola. In, preposition. That is, we know the examples of preposition: in, on, upon, into, beneath, under, below. These are all the prepositions. In the next series of lectures, we shall look again. We will have repetition again all these terms. Conjunctions. These are the linking and connecting words. For example, and, but, either or, neither nor. This is, for example, Ram and Sita. In this bunch or group, that is, and is used to connect Ram and Sita. Conjunction. And last, interjection. Interjections are words which are used to express feelings of joy, sorrow, happiness. For example, when we observe cricket match, when there is a six on the ground, we say, oh. That is, oh is a kind of expression of feeling happiness. That is, oh is an interjection. These are the 8 parts of speech. Once again, I shall repeat: noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. These are the 8 parts of speech which are essential in the next series of lectures, because these are just like ABCD, that is alphabets in the English. That is, these are the 8 parts of speech which are essential when we shall look at phrases, clauses, cohesive number of topics are there. These parts of speech form foundation, and therefore I request you, or I shall tell you, that is, whenever you get the time, whenever you get chance, whenever you have grammar books, you just go on looking or observing pages, and when try at home, that is, you'll understand how to study this one. Suppose you see a sentence, write down the sentence on the book paper. For example, what exercise you can do? You write yourself, that is, I am at home. I am at home. I is pronoun, am is verb, at is preposition, home is noun. Means, slowly, when you have simple sentences, try to analyze them from the angle of parts of speech, and if you do this, I think there is no problem, because you have been studying parts of speech from the beginning itself. Therefore, today we shall stop here, and I shall once again tell you, do have some small exercises so that you can easily understand the topic slowly. If you have any queries, remember that this is the first lecture. Whenever you get the queries, you are free to ask, and I shall try at my level best to solve your problems. Don't worry, don't be afraid. You have done the right choice, and you have time throughout the year to create or exaggerate your abilities, potentials, so that you can express those abilities in future and you may get the best career. All the best.